back of 389, 400 word, 120 word per minute speed. 1, 2, 3, start. Sir, actually speaking, I feel that perhaps we might have come to the Parliament earlier, but in a matter of this kind, where the cooperation of the states is entirely necessary, we cannot simply ignore their request for extension of time. We therefore waited, but then there comes a time when we can wait no longer. I think, sir, it should be defeating the purpose of the new Act if we were to wait any longer. Therefore, we have come up with this enabling bill so that the Indian Medical Council, as it existed under the old Act, will get out of existence immediately this bill is brought into force, and that will happen immediately after the present bill receives the assent of the President. Now I do feel that really there will be no difference of opinion about this amendment, which is absolutely necessary. There was, of course, another alternative which, however, the government did not like. There is provision in the Act saying that nothing done by the Indian Medical Council as constituted under the new Act shall be considered to be what might be called defective simply because the Council is not properly constituted. Under the provisions of that particular section, we could have just been content to go ahead with nominations where nominations are to be made and gone on with the Indian Medical Council. It would not be complete but deficient in respect of the members to be elected on behalf of certain interests. But rather than do that, we thought that it was proper to have the Indian Medical Council in a proper manner to prolong its existence rather than take recourse to an expedient which was not satisfactory. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, nearly a year and 8 months after the passing of the Act, the Health Minister at last comes and puts forward this amendment to the original Act to enforce the original Act. It took nearly 2 years for them just to think of enforcing it. Now, sir, when the original Act was brought before the House in the year 1956, some of the members wanted it to be referred to a select committee, and one of the pleas put forth against it by the then Health Minister was that it might cause some delay if it went to the select committee, that they did not want that delay and they wanted it to be implemented as early as possible. So reference to a select committee was rejected. It is curious, sir, to find that they have taken nearly 2 years to think of an act. Stop.